MailerLite Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to the MailerLite Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll break down MailerLite's email marketing platform, my experience using it, and whether its affiliate program is worth promoting. Links to the product and affiliate signup are in the description below. MailerLite is a beginner-friendly email marketing platform known for its clean interface, advanced automation, and affordability. It's a great choice for bloggers, small businesses, and e-commerce brands looking for an easy-to-use solution. With features like drag-and-drop email builders, landing pages, pop-ups, and automation workflows, it competes with bigger platforms at a much lower cost. One standout feature is its Forever Free plan, which includes up to 1,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails per month, making it an attractive option for startups and solopreneurs. MailerLite also integrates seamlessly with WordPress, Shopify, WooCommerce, and Zapier, enhancing its usability for online businesses. Now let's talk about the MailerLite Affiliate Program. Affiliates earn a 30% recurring commission for every referral, meaning as long as your referrals stay subscribed, you keep earning passive income. MailerLite's pricing is affordable, with premium plans starting at just $10 per month, which makes it easier to convert potential customers compared to more expensive competitors. The affiliate program provides access to real-time tracking dashboards, marketing materials, and deep linking, allowing affiliates to optimize their promotions effectively. One of the biggest advantages of this program is its high conversion rate due to MailerLite's free plan, which gets users in the door with no risk. If you run a blog, YouTube channel, or website focused on email marketing, digital marketing, or business growth, this is an excellent affiliate program to promote. With recurring commissions, an affordable product, and strong brand trust, MailerLite offers affiliates a reliable way to generate long-term earnings. If you're ready to join, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next review.